Okay, in this step we want to install another requirement for our project, and it's called Photon Network Engine. It is the platform to implement the multiplayer in a Unity, and it is very powerful, and all the game development of Unity using the Photon network for making a multiplayer game or application. For that, we need to go to the asset store, Unity asset store, and write Photon Pan 2. It is a free SDK. It's called Photon Pan 2. You need to come here and add to my store and download it and install it on your project. After that, you can install another package. It's called Photon Voice 2. If you want to have a voice chat on your project, after install Photon Pan 2, you need to install Photon Voice 2 on your project. As you can see, we have a folder. It's called Photon, and in here we can see all the assets of it. For example, Photon Voice, and in demos we can see different demo version of this SDK. But before using the demo scenes of Photon, we need to register in their platform in dashboard.photonengine.com. You need to register the new account of it. It is free, and you need to create a new app with your information name, Photon Real Time, and in here we need to go to the build settings and copy in the other settings, copy the package name and come here. We say we need to have Photon Pan, and your application name we say online multiplayer AR. Okay, and create. Okay, in the list, as you can see, we have online multiplayer AR. It is app ID. We need to copy this part and come here, and in the window section we have Photon Unity networking. In here, highlight server settings. We can add our ID in here, Photon Pan. And for app ID chat, we can copy this part in here. And for Photon app ID voice, we need to come here and create another one. And we say Photon Voice and online multiplayer AR and create. In here, it is for Pan, it is for voice. The app ID of it is different. Come here and paste here. As you can see, you can call your fixed region. I set US, United States. You can add your location in here, and also in here for your location as your server. Photon Network has several servers around the world, in United States, in Europe, or in Asia, and other locations in the world. Okay, right now our multiplayer SDK is ready to use. Let's go to the Photon and Photon Voice. In demos, for example, we need to use this one. Okay, it is a simple scene of Photon system. We played it. Okay. Oh, we have some problems in here, it seems. Yeah, because the character systems I've recorded in here. I will explain the character manager because I am adding the character manager in here. It will stuck in here. Okay, we have multiplayer with our new character. It's called Zombunny, and voice chat at the same time. Alright, we need to add our multiplayer platform to our AR scene. Only the simplest way is Control O to open the new scene, our scene, AR scene. Okay, and drag and drop a demo voice scene to here, and right now we can copy all stuffs here and put it inside of our scene. So right now in our AR scene we have voice, PON, UI, mobile single stick, orthographic camera, and environment. We can remove this part, remove scene without saving. Okay, alright, we don't need to have this joystick, and we can disable it. We don't need to have the environment, we can hide it. Also, we don't need to have this voice chat UI, however you can use it, but anyway I will hide them. Only important thing is PON and voice. Also orthographic camera, we can keep it because it will has a problem for PON if we remove it, but we can check off the camera, because for AR we only need to have AR camera in our scene as an active camera, and we can play it right now. We need to have the new character if we join to the multiplayer scene. Okay, that's it. It works. It works perfectly. Okay, let's go to the next step to implement the positioning system to AR and connect it to our character.